Yeah. I think it's a good idea to get to know her family, especially the parents, and even her friends, because that's how you get to know her much faster, in my opinion. Because she's a product of her parents, so why wouldn't you not want to get to know her parents? I mean, that doesn't make logical sense. You know what I'm saying? Look at Jordan. Uh, Gotta have some trolls in there, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think it's a good idea to get to know as much of the people that your girlfriend or your wife is around as fast and as quick as possible. That way you know who she's hanging around, and because birds of a feather flock together. That's usually how that go. You know what I'm saying? Most people are not gonna hang around somebody that don't have something in common. At least. Yeah, most people have to have something in common, or there's a piece of him or her and the person that they associate with or hang around. That's usually how that go. Now, she or he or her and him might not necessarily do what she might not do what her friends and family do, but if she spends enough time around them, people usually pick up little habits from their circle of influence. That's usually how that works. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's like if you met a girl and you find out one of her friends is a hoe, you'd be like, why you hang around her? Why you hang around somebody like that? You know what I'm saying? You find out her friend's an escort or some shit like that. You be like, damn, why you even talk to her? Y'all live in two different lifestyles. She's out in them streets. But it's probably a piece of her, I guess part of her that kind of wish she could be like her, being an escort. I don't know. It could be. But why? But if you're not living the street life, why would you talk to an escort on the phone? I don't know. I don't know. It's $1 million question. But it happens. But I know one thing. A lot of times, who you hang around with, that shit rubs off on you. It rubs off on you. Positive or negative. Positive or negative. You know what I'm saying? Could go either way. Could go either way. And P.S. and by the way,